Namaste everyone and welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Today on this very special occasion of Mahalaya, we celebrate the divine power and grace of Maa Durga through art. Mahalaya marks the beginning of Devi Paksha, a time when the energy of the goddess is invoked on the earth. It is believed that on this day, Maa Durga begins her journey from Mount Kailash to her maternal home on earth, bringing love, strength, and blessings to all her devotees. In this video, I will be guiding you step by step to create a soulful Maa Durga portrait using watercolors and oil pastels. This painting not only captures her divine form but also symbolizes the strength, courage, and protection she showers upon us. So, let's dive into this creative journey together. First, I have made a simple pencil sketch of Maa Durga's face already, keeping her eyes big and expressive because they symbolize her all-seeing power, her ability to protect us from negativity. The third eye on her forehead represents divine wisdom. As we move forward, imagine Maa Durga watching over you, removing fear and bringing strength into your life. After that, I have added a wash of bright yellow watercolor to her face. Yellow symbolizes energy, positivity, and the divine aura of the goddess. While applying this base, think of the rising sun on Mahalaya morning when people listen to Mahishasura Mardini and welcome Maa Durga's energy. This yellow base is like the light of dawn, bringing hope and new beginnings. Next, we will work on her eyes, making it depth. The bold black outlines with red inside represents her fierce yet compassionate nature. Durga's eyes are said to hold the universe within them, calm yet powerful. As you create them, imagine her gaze removing obstacles from your life and blessing you with courage. For the crown area of Maa Durga, which is covered by the red sari, I have used shades of red and orange and brown to give the richness. Red is the color of power and Shakti. Her crown represents dignity and victory over evil. While coloring this, remind yourself that Mahalaya is the time when Maa Durga begins her battle to defeat Mahishasura, a symbol of negativity and darkness. Every stroke you make is like invoking her energy to overcome your own struggles. Now we will work on the overall Maa Durga painting using oil pastels for depth and to give bold outlines to the picture. This will feel the Maa Durga in the picture alive. Add details to her ornaments with white and gold touches. The bindi and the third eye should shine strongly. For the background, blend deep shades of blue and black, symbolizing the cosmic energy around her. As we complete the painting, think of how every year Durga Puja reminds us that good always triumphs over evil. Just like an art, every dark shade highlights the light more beautifully. In life too, challenges highlights our inner strength. And here is our completed Maa Durga painting, a perfect tribute on this Mahalaya. This artwork is not just about colors and strokes, but about feeling her divine presence while creating. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Canvas Whisper for more festive and soulful art tutorials. Comment down below what Durga Puja means to you. I would love to hear your stories. Wishing you all a blessed Mahalaya. May Maa Durga fill all your lives with power, peace and positivity. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.